ladies and gentlemen, it's fine here. The final chapter challenge Super Sons. And damn it, I'm gonna make this series over. This series is awesome. It's still a great story. It's badass, great. Jonathan confronted Return of it. And damn, I want more, but we can't have more fun. We could just eat bullshit. Dennis. The president of John Wimber is doing Hey, I'm me on Thomas Bowman, and I'm going to be trying Super Son issue 14, the finale of this long series. Yep. Now, we want to talk about the one Adam and put more done. Super Son all 15 all the time. I love John, I love Damon, I love this story, and damn it, I love this series. And the problem when I'm not getting any more Super Son content after this break my heart, because you can tell tomorrow I want to tell more story about my favorite team. And I'm going to make this series so much. So, yeah, it should be fun. Again, hold on me a minute. Well, you'll find out later. So I do it on this great, epic finale to my all favorite series. Yep. So, enjoy the show. See ya. I am. As you can tell from my intro, so you can tell I love this book. Why? You'll find out. Let's get started. The content in now, which I'm John there. The fear and those out of the past will find their way to the time stream behind the magic of the Doom Scroll, but we beat them for the help of Laura. Dad always tells me to preach at the end of any mission. A job well done. See, I can feel good. And he's like, there I go. I can't believe I'm stuck with a partner who thinks being the bad guy means you win. How many can you get? My father said at the end of every patrol night, they'd flop over. That's great. There you go. The scroll destroyed, but they didn't even won. You know what I mean? God decided with somebody to the path. The Doom Scroll almost have been defeated. You gotta survive. John, there you go. We didn't need to get help. Say from help. Yep. But, very sad after right behind there with, John. So also I show me one. We stop playing, right? You're gonna change that. I so, when you begin Super Saiyan, you just brought me around. Here you go. The point they're gonna tell us out that, yeah, you're dope. Well, when they really want, wait. Back. Savage. That's how we do it. We wait 5 minutes. See? I knew it. You were just joking. I'm trying to do that to Richard's friends. They're great friends, they're great partners. Well, Savage. Guess you won't want to knock him out after you beat your butt. By chapter 7. Yep, reference. Savage. No man will show my master. Yep. Yeah, I get this year you call me a target. Enough! I've been done just knew I was unscrewing your memory years ago. Don't use them on my magic and my resolve. And I would always find myself Superman. Yay! John, the guy that found you're a big idiot. When I can tell superheroes, we're Super Zen. We're gonna kick you up. Yay! Yeah, John! Awesome! That's a bad pose! I love it! Like father like son. Awesome! Yeah, John gets knocked out by the magic. Superboy! That's all you got! I'm not firing up reports. You want me right at home on the old globe. But really, the black hat of you is no method with the obeyed. So prepare to, yep, and back get hit by binding spell. Wait a minute. Wait! Who's that binding spell on me? Laura! Yay! Laura, look at it. It seems like you have been for so many years. You are the only other warrior here, Faust. Yay! Laura, I've all tried to run with something step by step, day by day, same as you. Like you're within my magic and all to grow some powerful. Yay! Wait a minute. Savage. No! It's not magic! It's time to stab your bones. No! And then, what? Burn down now! Or swear. You're what? You're fighting boy. I tripped with one hand of his hand. She died. I told you that simple. No! Back to you. Which way did you allow to end, sorry children? You lied for hers. Do we have a deal? Yep. And John never did have to agree this deal with Daniel. That's the hard answer. Yeah, that's an easy one. But you better make sure you killed the first time, Mountain Man. Yeah, cause that ain't gonna hurt. Yay! Awesome. Saying that gonna hurt? What do you mean? I don't know. I bet I can come up with. That's great. Yay! Fist bump. Awesome. Yeah, Yeah, well, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Yay! And so to go. Make it found, punch them. I'm going to have you turn drink from the flesh. They'll feel every other information that won't just in plan made endure. Uh-oh. But it was so deep and so funny even the airs will feel it. A generation before was screaming mercy! Mercy will never come. No! What is that? Uh-oh. You mean who is that? Yay! Put the voice down! Or else. Yeah, exactly! Finally! Where did you go? Oh, whatever. You got all knocked out because of John David. That's great! That we have to buy and his brother was happy. Anyway, so I believe we should tell these people apart. But you should shut your mouth. John, alright, technically. So when we warn him. Just me now, he's gonna go down. 6 minutes later. That's great. Yeah, no, about how to be. That's who it is. Hey, I don't know. Yeah, in on mission. We're the one who said all the job about how you know it. So yeah, you're welcome. I know. So anyway, you've been a bad member of the past 100 years or so. How do you know where to find us? Superman, something I have to give it a heads up when you chew and move all over the place. The bag took it a bit, tracked it down. Damn it. You know what I was planning to do. Friday, I gotta get away to the hospital, but she wasn't visiting. What, Bleakley and my friends, they did have a filled with fighting a prophecy that we fought together a long time ago. They are good men, they are heroes. Yay! And John, they've been out with me in a little while. Yes, things should we shoot the car or what now thing they can hold it. And so if it takes half an hour to do, I'll be shocked. Well, thank you, Robin. And thank you, Superman. Superman, huh? Wrong straight, Pop. Of course you do. Wrong story than how you got that. So I never for it. You're going to take that back. I do that, if you don't mind. We'll walk. Is it gonna say we should have been right? If not, we'll be right down. You got that right, partner. Epilogue. Yep. Well, that worked. Now, right. Aww, it was the two little kids from yeah, Avengers Supervillains. Yep. I know the kids. They're so cute. And John, I tell you, G, find that old Avenger over the great idea. Oh yeah, that's old man John. So I wonder what John. That's pretty cool. And then, I'm currently the time of life being the worst band in my superpower. Well, that wasn't your only superpower, but I'm like quickly. But I had super done story nowadays. What do you say? I'm heading home. Where do you stay at? Don't worry, they know. I get the weapons. The end. Question mark. Yeah, that's the comment. The comment is the two old man winging at the audience. That is so meta. That is so pure genius. I love it. And that's the comment. Yep. The end. Yep. And that end, the Shining Super said, well, great ending, all good things that come to the end. Damn, I made the series. I'm like, yep. And that's the comment. Yep. What then? The old man went out there, me is not the end of Superman? What's going on then? What's going on Superman? What's going on my ultimate team? They didn't need a Superman both fire at the old years. Say next time. Say Superman channel. Say Superman channel at the comment. Yep. I am. As you tell my recap, John, you can tell you got this book. Why? You'll find out. What's good show? What did you always about Max Rainer? Max Rainer all around me, it's really made me bad. I love the art. I love the art of John Damian. It's so cute. Like, look at the face. Like, it's so cute. This is all the great art. Art perfection, 10 out of 10. A for art's great. Max Rainer, I swear, it's great art. Perfection, 10 out of 10. A for art's great. Look at the story itself. Okay. Holy shit, what a great epic finale to John Damian story. And damn it, I'm gonna make this thing, but this story is great. We have John actually going to win Super Time. We're gonna kick your butt. Like, that's an awesome panel. Like, That would be my thumbnail. In fact, I think it will be my thumbnail. If I actually could do that. But if I can't do it, then fuck it. That is a great page, and I'm gonna use that page and define and detail the bullshit. That might be a great page. I love that page. And love that demo with John Neiman, Good Kickman 7, and that's awesome. Perfection 10 10 8. But speaking of Venom 7, look at the John Neiman and John the same day. Right? Yeah, having John Neiman fight PFN 7, I mean, actually not huge bother me because we've been building up this conflict ever since actually the very beginning. And I was so happy to see John Neiman as he tried to say war. That is really cute. And when John tried, because the second time it's gonna hurt, but you gotta hit the man. That sounded great bad moment. Like, you can tell John Neiman, they're so determined to take a friend. I love it. Heck, when they actually like go after me and they say, well, they do it, yes, but they knew what they were going to do, and when they respect each other, that made me so happy, because damn it made me miss this series even more, because it blew my mind, and we loved this series, but crap, why did we have to end up drop a garbage? It just break my heart that we're not gonna have any more Super Sons. Speaking of Super Sons moment, let's get a Jenny show up a sec. Yeah, having Jenny show up, I mean, he's surprising me, because I suspected him to show up in the very beginning, but I'm so happy he's going to have to turn out in this book. Like, I'm so happy. Heck, when John Neiman is like, oh, I didn't even here. And then he said, right, when we have found someone we want him, coming out is going to end. That is so bad. And I got a sick man with her. Like, that's such a great gag. I love it. I love this series. In no way it's ton of fun, it's heart and soul, and then I love this series. This is my animation ever. It breaks my heart. We want this series, but crap. Like, it did make me sad when I got more Super Saiyan content. Speaking of Super Saiyan, what's that after that talk with John and talking to the dad for a sec? Yeah, having John and Neiman talk to the dad about me, now he's about me because it's actually funny. And how do you know where to find her? So I had to give her a heads up, but you see when we were all the place about the chicken that been tracking down. Like, that's so funny. And I don't know that all that funny. They went through hell in order to save Laura, and even Laura, so they couldn't even find. That's so cute. That made me smile. It's had a great moment. I love Laura, and I want to see Laura and more stuff. She's such a great character. She went through really help her found to do the same like John Neiman, and I love his character, and I'm hoping, really, that Lord could somehow turn out the main Shimmer and D.A. John. If anyone knows that the D.A. John is her, I want the D.A. John, because she's actually good, he's done the fun. I just want John to turn to herself. I said, all I want is point. And just break my heart, we're not gonna have to see it anymore, it just break my heart in peace. Speaking of that, what's that anime sec? Yeah, I'm having John Neiman actually go out with it, and so we say the bacon, right? It won't be the last time. Like, that's such a great moment. You got a partner, like, that made me so happy. But I'm sad that I made Super Dumb stuff. After the epilogue, I look at the epilogue, it's so cute, it's so adorable. I see like old man John, old man Neiman, like taking care of the two kids. I think actually I think those kids are not all probably dead kids, obviously. Well, they're probably actually I think the girl with the heat vision, it's probably John's kid, or the boy, I forget. And the girl actually probably Damon's kid. I could be wrong with that, and the old man being John Neiman may send him a thing, right? And damn it, I want to see more of the story. It's such a great story, and the ending might be it's so meta, but pure genius. Like, I love it. It breaks my heart when I can have more stuff, and John doesn't want to know. Like, that's such a great meta moment. Like, it's such a great break the fourth wall. That's so funny, but genius. And when you say the end question mark, I'm actually intrigued about what that means. The different movie on Super Saiyan content, if it goes to the God, that would be so happy. Because damn it, I don't want it to be the end. Because this is a great series. It just, I want more. That's all I want at this point. But no, I got both rings. Heck. Because, like its predecessor in John Neiman and Super Saiyan, this series might be one of the best series I've read in a very, very, very long time. It's amazing, badass, a great series, and damn it, I want more. I want more of the series. I want this series to sell. So, please, DC, please, everyone should out there, buy this series, if we get this number up so super high, then maybe, just maybe, we get more Super Gen content. And one more Super Gen. Super Gen All-18 All-Die is a great series. Tons of fun. It's cute, adorable, awesome. I need to go into the entire series. And it breaks my heart at the end of this entire series. And, but I can't wait to the end of the entire run. But you know what? All good to them content, everybody. And Tamati, I salute you. This is a great series. And I'm hoping, really hoping, we get more Super Gen content. If we get more Super Gen, I'll be happy. If we can't win another annoying feeling me, but let's just pray that God this happens. Let's just hope. Really hope this series will succeed and sell really great and we have more Super Gens. If not, then damn it, they went with the bang. I salute you. You did a great series and I'm hoping we get more. If we can't get more, then did a great energy to one. All good to come in the Woody, but damn it, did a great series. I highly recommend pick the book up. Go buy it, go support it, and for the love of God, please let us show you do more Super Gens. Bottom line at this point. But, anywho, what time out? I think boy. Alright, I'm relating. Alright, with all that said, we're gonna try Super Gen issue number 14 and in the end. I call them today. By perfection, A+. If you have Super Gen with me, buy this book. If you have Super Gens, buy this book. Charlie Dingley, even though I want to finish it one time, it's a great series, I love the series, and damn it, I want more. It's a great series, go buy it, go support it, and for the love of God, let's get that series up to number 1, damn it. Because if we get to number 1, then maybe, just maybe we got some hope we bring the series back alive and kicking. If not, then it's gonna miss opportunity. But until then, it was wish ends. But, anywho, what's up? That's about it. Oh, don't worry about my challenge. Super Gen issue number 14. The finale of this long run. Oh yeah, I gotta do the series at home. I did the series over day. But looking at a product, the series meeting, my issue meeting, did a great series. I recommend go buy it, go support it. Go buy this book, please. Let's say you want more of the series. What's the end of this yet? But what talk? Oh, don't find challenge Super Gen issue number 14. In the end, I'll put on condom. You might do the main series. Do you want to get to it? Although, how do you feel about this being the other time Super Gen? How do you feel about it? Super Gen 40 and do you believe we get more Super Gens? I hope we get more Super Gens. We do, but I want to see the survive. But until then, with Super Gen, I'll put y'all condom out on Twitter, on Twitter, put y'all on the comment channel for Superstars. Please get the bell icon. Y'all show story. But if you can, I'll talk all game. Super Gen. See ya. Bye, Super Gen. See ya. Bye, Super. See ya. Bye, Super Gen. Bye.